Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we are going to be going to Siam Paragon. Siam Paragon is one of the biggest, most famous luxury malls in Bangkok, Thailand. So let's go and check it out. Hey guys, so we just arrived here at Siam Paragon at Siam Station in Bangkok. It's really easy to get to. Siam Station is a transfer station, so pretty much every line runs through here. Let's jump inside of the mall and check it out. One of the things that Siam Paragon is most famous for is luxury brand shopping. So if you guys are into luxury brand shopping, if you're looking for any of the famous brands, Siam Paragon is definitely the place to come in Thailand for those kind of items. you guys do decide to come to Siam Paragon, one of the nice things is that there's a lot of other things to do here besides just go to the mall and go shopping. If you come down into the basement of Siam Paragon, there's actually a nice aquarium here, which I think is especially nice for kids. It's a reasonable price if you're just going for the day. If you're living in Bangkok, they have an annual pass, which is extremely affordable. And there's also a Madame Tussauds museum if you guys want to go in and see the wax sculptures and take pictures with celebrities and different things like that. And of course, there's one of the largest movie theaters here in Bangkok, which we will go up and take a look at a little bit later. So just be aware of that if you come. Okay, something I want to show you guys now, if you guys are looking for like Thai style decorations and stuff, there's on the 4th floor here, they have a place called Paragon Passage. And this is kind of like upscale, like Thai style home decor. So, you know, I mean, if you go to some of the outside markets and stuff, you can find cheap little things. But if you want to find something really nice, just something to decorate your home, Paragon Passage is a great option. So let's go up and let's take a look at some of it.